Hey guys, I'm replacing my Kemper. The reason behind this is because I got pedal board. I got a pedal board. So what I'm doing now is that I got one of the OX boxes, OX Stomp, and one of the Electronic Audio Experiments preamps. This one specifically is the Citadel, basically a plexi thing, right? So that's basically what I have been playing on my Kemper. But the Kemper do not like stacking overdrives. So what I wanted to do was skip the Kemper, build a giant pedal board. That's the plan. Okay, so what we're doing now, this is the clean tone of the Citadel. What I'm running is a 412 greenback speakers Marshall cab in the OX Stomp. It's like this. So let's just try to fiddle a little bit with the Citadel. Alright. Increasing normal gain, increasing bright gain as well. Already it sounds really good, just by itself. I mean, you could probably do this and just roll off the volume. Do cleans like that. Sounds great. Just gonna roll off the bass side a bit. Real classy, everything sounds amazing. What I like to do though is I like stacking overdrives, because I got a couple of overdrives. I have the Limelight also from Electronic Audio Experiments, and I got the DRV from 1981 Inventions as well. So what I like to do is stack them. And the way I do that is by just having lower gain. So if I go back here, roll back bright gain a bit, roll back normal gain a little bit. Fairly clean. Not really. Yeah. Fairly clean, sounds amazing. And now, Limelight, just the boost. That's the right side, so it boosts a little bit. It's on around 10 o'clock. That's put it on. Now, if we put on the distortion side, just tap it like that. Sounds great. Sounds goddamn great. Sounds great. Now, tapping off Limelight, the distortion side, keeping the boost on, and activating the DRV. This is what I usually use as the main distortion sound. Boost from Limelight and distortion or overdrive from the DRV. So for heavier tones, actually, if I increase the DRV a little bit more, is that I like to boost with the Limelight only, and then just use the DRV. I actually don't think you need anything else than a good preamp like the Citadel and OX Stomp. That's it. It sounds really good. It stacks really well. I actually prefer using my pedal board and skipping the Kemper or any modeler actually. This is nicer for me. Yeah. So let's turn this off and activate some reverb from the Stomp. Let's add the distortion as well from the Limelight. Yeah, I mean that's a nice way to end it, right? For me, this sounds really good. Really, really, really good. So yeah, the Kemper is out. The OX Stomp, and specifically for me, at least, loving Marshall-ish or Plexi style amps, the Citadel is great. Great. It's amazing. Having this setup works. It works really well. Yeah, that's it for me. Short update. That's it. See you later, guys.